Something funny has been happening in my DM since like it don't take. Every week, I must have at least like 10 people that will ask me and say, bro, how do I start cybersecurity? That question, they won't use and kill me. Where can I learn ethical hacking properly? Which course should I take? Can you mentor me? That one everywhere. I don't even tired to the answer. How many people I want mentor? Can I become hacker without turning my system into nuclear reactor? I'm just playing. And the truth is, I have been answering small. But at some point, I started realizing something. Many people do not need another random YouTube playlist or one 30-hour single YouTube video where I go refer you to. No. Because some of them don't watch and they will still come back and say, bro, I don't really get time. Okay? So they need structure. They need labs. They need somebody to say, do this first, then do this next, then break this thing legally, and then write the report like a professional. Sometimes you need somebody that will spoon feed you. Yes. Sometimes you need person who go open your mouth. Says, now so they choke the food put on. And they tell you. So apparently, Expert Forge heard the noise. I don't receive this news since last week. And they think, the day when the first time I want rush come online, just shoot. I said, no, let me say this properly, officially. And they have now started Exploit Forge Academy. Clap. You know, all of now, don't tell me, say, when Exploit Forge will start, they don't hear when I talk now. Clap now. Why they look me like moi? But seriously, I am not joking. The people who have been doing serious offensive security work, have now decided to teach it properly. Let that sink in. No be classroom teacher. Person where they do the work won't can teach you. What do you think go happen? And this one is not watch 76 videos like as I dey tell people. Because me, I know they teach cybersecurity. I don't know it where these people are. I don't know. Even we'll get there. So they will tell you, say, go watch 76 videos. So they'll come give you motivational quotes on cybersecurity to ginger you, but you don't know anything. This one is hands-on. This one is lab-driven. This one is practical. It's realistic. You know, the kind of training that your laptop no go just they used to be opening tutorials alone anymore and then writing in Notion. No. Your laptop self, oh my God. Your laptop go no say, he go suffer. He go no say, yes, Nana begin to the work. That suffer, but it will suffer in purpose. See, no mind me the way they talk. Let me tell you why this is exciting. Cybersecurity online can be very, very confusing. One person says learn Linux. Another person can say learn networking. Another person will still come say learn Python. Some will even tell you they will say start bug hunting. I be bug bounty. I be waiting that they call them. Voila. Some will even say write OSCP. You wait you know say we be OSCP now. Where they say me you go right on. Another person will just tell you say just hack NASA. You've made it. Anyways, calm down. NASA no offend your family. Oh. That's if you feel hack themselves. You will never chop. You won't hack NASA. The real problem is many people are learning cybersecurity like somebody entering market with shopping list. Today, XSS. Tomorrow, Wireshark. You know yourself. Next tomorrow, Active Directory. Okay, voila. Then you go say after that, cloud security. And then all of a sudden, the person goes sit down for midnight. They watch 4 hours video on Kubernetes. Go they sweat that say they don't thief government data. You see that confusion? That's what proper structure solves. Expert Forge Academy is designed to take people through offensive security. What I talk? Designed to take people through offensive security in the way real engagement will actually happen. From reconnaissance to vulnerability assessment, even to web application, API security, network exploitation, to privilege escalation, to post-exploitation. You know, now when they don't show you shege, you can't think of how you want to do your life. And then this part where many beginners they ignore, reporting. Yes. Because I tell you something where they're very painful. Finding vulnerability alone is not enough. You cannot explain the risk clearly or even write it properly and then help the business know what to fix. You are not yet operating like a professional. Now me talker. You know what you're doing? You're just shouting, I found bug. I don't see bug. With pride. Now what do they do with that? And confidence is not CV. Let's talk about the academy. It has 7 modules. Over 200 lessons. Your mind go day. Even your laptop go know, say, man, something don't happen. More than 80 hands-on lab. And you say you no go join. Me, if you join, you'll see me there. Me, they join. You see all this one, no? I they join. You go see me for the class. In fact, go to their website and check it for yourself. See it on the screen. Go to their website. And the important part is, it is not built around toy problems. So say, no, no be play. Oh. It is built around practical offensive security work. You know that kind of work where you learn how to think like somebody testing real system. Now so, how do you map an attack surface? How do you find what matters? How do you test APIs? How do you understand access control? How you go to move from I know the theory to I can actually do the work? You see that last one, I can actually do the one. And the main thing, forget this story, show working. I remember some people early last year, people can't drag me online. They will say, leave and not be developer and just content creator. If you get mine, Mo will sit down. Come, Mo. Anyways, so that last one, now the main thing. Because many people know cybersecurity words. They will say privilege escalation. They will say reconnaissance. They will say JWT confusion. Broken access control. They can say all that. Very good though. But when lab opens, everybody go, you're humble. That is why lab matters. Lab exposes fake confidence. You see what you must do? No, Baba, no miss this course. Go the website. Go join the waitlist. Baba, they talk, they go first. Now lab go look you and say, my guy, you say you know Amabi. Yeah, do it. Do am. Show working. But actually, that's where growth starts. Actually. You see, for this our work, no the shame. If you don't know and say you don't know am, wallahi, no shame. Yes, no shame. I've met, especially I was at ATE last week. I met some people. That were having conversations and they mentioned things with me. Never hear before. And I said, guy, give me your number, I go call you. It did here, they form. Just the form say you know everything. Whoa. You go, the way you go outdated there, you don't believe him. So who is this academy for? No, do and they do it just like the way they arrange them for the website, but go look at who is this academy for? It is not only for people that already call themselves hackers. So what I mean? It is not only for the people that already call themselves. So meaning you would already call yourself hacker, you're supposed to register. You know, and finish. They go show you something where your mind go day. It is also for aspiring penetration testers. What do I call them? If you know say be aspiring penetration tester, man no cash you say you no register. It is also for IT people who want to move into offensive security. Like I used to tell you guys think say I be one security, but I don't know anything for security. Most of the things why I don't tell you now from Exploit Forge. Yes. It shock you. And I do my research. But notice say, if you catch me, say, I know deal with you, no go there. I know what they talk, but I don't know how to compare to these people. My own field now software engineering. So if you know say you want to move to offensive security, you need to do this course. If you be junior security consultant and you know say you want to sharpen your skill, do one. If you know say you dey prepare for offensive security certifications, don't say you know yell, and you want practical experience so that exam pressure no go finish you, join. See, not be for people who want to make, they'll just magic go just brag, you don't know, I know those hear this thing. Now wait to make even people waiting for my software engineering class. We start last year, then no say Baba, this one no be play, no be do this, don't do it. No, Baba. Well, but I'll just tell you, say, if you want to become hacker in 3 days, this is not for you. This one feel offend you. It's not for you. If you want something like copy this command and feel dangerous, it is not for you because this one will show your nyash. But if you are serious, if you want structure, if you want practical labs, if you want to learn from people who actually do the work, then this is worth paying attention to. Like I said, you will see me in that class. I go join. I know join care. I me no want let work. I go do that class. And so like I dey talk, before you go say, are you promoting you need to be they paid you, Baba? I am not just talking about it. I am joining too. Yes, I will also be part of the students. Because in tech, the moment you think you are finished learning, now that time reality go slap your production server. If I know what I do, let me tell you this. Maybe it will help you. Just out of context a bit. Anytime I get a new job, That's why sometimes my clients they say I move very slow. You get why? Anytime I get new job, like I don't mean official job like salary. No, I mean like I collect project because I do consultancy services. I collect projects. I get developers to do it, like that. And Nami go be the team lead. I monitor it. Every time I get project like that, I they do like say I don't know. I get things so where I go just let's just do it like this, blah, blah. I go still go research because you don't know something new if you don't come out. Maybe that step where you know, maybe vulnerability don't dey inside. Maybe the process where you know before, maybe you should don't dey. We always study again. Yes. I know the funny thing, I learned this not from career stuff. I learned it from my bishop in the church. Weird, Abi. When you want do program again, or you want preach the same topic again, you go still read on top and do research. Don't assume you know everything. Things change every minute. We are in the age of information. Cybersecurity not be one of those fields where you go say you don't arrive. Oh, you never arrive anything because new attack surfaces all the time. New APIs there, new cloud mistakes they happen. We they get new authentication disasters every day. New developers they push secrets to GitHub like say they do giveaway. Every day. So yes, I am joining. Not because I don't know anything. More rest. But the main thing I say because I be serious person when one day sharpened. Yes. If a blacksmith stop sharpening his tool, one day even bread go defeat him. The part I like about this is that it's not just only about completing the lessons. Like I said, they are including lab environment, cohorts, mentor peering, weekly review, report writing. You dey see am? Career support, mock interviews, CV review. Why you no go dey there? And a certificate when you finish the required work. When you finish. Notice they will just dash you. So that means the goal no be say they will just tell you congratulations, you don't watch the video. No. The goal na say, can you actually do the work? So for everybody who have been asking me, how do I start? Where should I learn? Where should I practice? Which cybersecurity path should I follow? Can I learn ethical hacking properly? This is me telling you, Exploit Forge has responded. Bam. The academy waitlist is open. Cohort 01 is coming. And then spaces are limited. Me as I tell you, so me don't hold them. Now maybe number one student. So if you like, go Jones. May you snooze. If you are serious, not be this kind of opportunity, you screenshot and forget. No. And I am very excited because most of them don't ask me tire. So here it is. I also the part of the people waited them say, I beg, we need to do this thing. But yeah, I'm so glad. Here it is. Exploit Forge Academy is here. See the website on the screen. See number to call. Anyways, I don't try. Bye.